Hello, and welcome to MC Academy's junior course. In this induction video, we will list all of the important information that you need to know. There are 8 stages to this induction video. Stage 1, accessing your class. Stage 2, class times and test day. Stage 3, lateness and absences. Stage 4, welfare. Stage 5, social activities. Stage 6, additional activities. Stage 7, useful tips. Finally, Stage 8, follow us on social media. To access your class, you will need to use Zoom. You can access Zoom by downloading the Zoom Cloud Meetings app on the App Store or the Play Store, depending on your phone. You can also access Zoom via the internet on your tablet, laptop, or computer. At the junior summer course, you will have 3 hours of lessons per week. Your class will run from 4 o'clock till 5:45, or 6 o'clock to 6:45. You can be up to 5 minutes late for class. If you are later than 5 minutes, you will not be able to enter class. It is important that you attend every class. If you receive an attendance of 80% or below, you will not receive your end of course certificate. The welfare of our students is important to us. If you have an issue regarding your class or your home life, then you can email a member of staff. The social program is designed to help students interact and improve their language skills with other students. At MC Academy, there are a number of different activities available to you. These include competitions, games, and also a student newsletter to read in your spare time. You can find all of the school's newsletters on the MC Academy website. We want you to make the most of your time studying with MC Academy. Here are 4 helpful tips that will help you settle in. Number 1. You are not alone. Everyone in your class is feeling the same way as you do. Number 2. Speak up. Talk as much as you can in class. Tell your class about your pets, your family, and your friends at home. Number 3. Listen to your teacher. Your teacher is trying to give you the best experience. Listen to them and do as they ask. Number 4. Go to the social activities. The socials are an opportunity to use your English in a natural way. Here, you can play games, learn new skills, and the best thing, no homework. Last but not least, don't forget to follow us. You have now reached the end of this induction video. Thank you for watching.